Going down there.
Beautiful place to be on a November afternoon. Corralejo. Ferries coming in from Lanzarote, one of them kicking out some black smoke there. Lobos in the background. Ah, fabulous. Kids have been digging holes down here. That's what kids like, it's brilliant. People just lazing around. Lovely warm wind. Fabulous. Nice place to watch people as well. People promenade along there. Nice little walkway. Go sitting eating. Nice benches to sit on, have a rest. Enjoy a view like this. Plenty of these seats along the fronts of the walkway here. Not too busy today. Oh. Food places. Just to sit and have a drink and watch the it's closed at the moment, probably open at night time. Whoops, nearly falling over. Travel around on your bike. That's fabulous, isn't it? Bad. You're off for a nice cold beer. Jolly seats here.
Vale, mesa contrario.
Nice place to sit and have a sangria. I've seen a lot of music here, outside here. Some afternoons and evenings. Very good. And good food, I'm told. A while since I've eaten there. I think this is just reopened last month. Used to be a nice bar behind there, and used to play live music. Sunday afternoon we had some good do's there. They spoiled this. Had a fabulous view, and I think the bar's gone. Can't remember the name. A nice guy who had it. I'm sure if I put this on YouTube, someone will tell me what the name of the bar was. Bit darker. It's about 20 to 4, 15:38, and it's November, early November day. The sun drops pretty quickly, or pretty early. There's still a lovely sun out there. This is the town beach over here, I think it's called. Everybody has their own names for different beaches out here. I like walking along there. Famous Corralejo sign. Always people stood in front of it taking the picture. But if you stand on the other side and take a selfie, it'll be reading the right way around. I've done it. And as you can see it now. You do a selfie down there, backwards way, it'll read just like that, Corralejo. Hola. Play. Fabulous restaurant that. Hi. And people are friendly, aren't they, on holiday? Guy doing the salmon thing, throw some money in. Oh, we all walk around with cards now. We'll just walk around here to the end of the pier. Pier, jetty I suppose it is, it's not a pier. Nice place to sit. You get a bit of busking here as well, it's fabulous. Someone doing some work or something there. So if anyone's worried about coming in November to Corralejo, this is what it's like. Now that bit, walkway's closed off temporarily at the moment. I think they're doing some work there. I read about that somewhere, or saw a vlog. And there's the harbour, bigger harbour. See it more if we go around there. The jetty. You can see it better there, you can see how it's closed off, just in that little area there, near the statue. So you have to walk around and get back onto it through the little old town there. So we get onto it.
Era mezz'ora che col telefono e col pullman era in giro.
We'll finish it here.